Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello everyone, I am Shreya Digekar, first year diploma student of Civil Department from Zeal Polytechnic, Nare, Pune. My topic is elasticity versus temperature, and I was very much guided by Professor Sandeep Pakchavre sir. So, first point is abstract, the objective. The purpose of my project is to determine the effects of different temperatures on the elasticity of rubber bands. Rubber comes from and is collected in one way. Natural rubber is taken from a tree called Hevea brasiliensis, which originated in the Amazon rainforest. In 1876, H.A. Wickham brought seeds of the Hevea tree from Brazil to Kew Gardens, which was near London. The seeds were then given to India, Ceylon, British Malaya, and other countries. The tree takes about 5 years to grow from a seedling to a point that it can start to produce rubber. It has a lifespan about 25 to 30 years. Then next is purpose. To compare the height of a rubber band when stretched before and after exposed to various temperatures. Then next is hypothesis. I hypothesize that if the rubber band is stretched after being exposed to hotter temperature, the height of its stretch will be bigger than after it has been exposed to colder temperature. Then next is materials. First, rubber bands Selectum brand. Weights: hot water, pot, refrigerator, ruler, 30 cm, hook, etc. Then next, procedure. First, take out rubber bands from the box and group them into threes for three trials at each temperature. Second, the first 3 rubber bands in a room temperature for 10 minutes. This will be the main temperature for the experiment. Third, take one rubber band from the 3 and cut it at a point. Fourth, take a hook and attach it to the edge of a surface with tap so that it doesn't fall. Fifth, tie one end of the rubber band and attach it to the hook and attach the other end to a weight. Sixth, wait till the band stops moving and is still. Then measure the band after stretched with a 30 cm ruler. Seventh, record the height and write it on a sheet of paper so that you do not forget. 8. Then take out the next 2 rubber bands from the room temperature settings and repeat the steps. 9. Repeat steps 2 and 8 for the rubber band in boiling water and the freezer. 10th, record the average temperature of the rubber bands for all 3 trials for each temperature setting. 11th, compare the average height of the band when they were placed in a refrigerator and boiling water to the bands placed in room temperature. 12th, observe what difference you see in the height stretch of the rubber band for all the above trials. Then next is observation. Here is given one table of observation.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence. excellence.